Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get cash advance from Albert Instant. If you don't have an Albert account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $150. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see an option for Instant. Tap on Instant. Then tap on Get Started. Here, you will see several details about Albert Instant. To proceed, tap on Continue. To set up your account, tap on Continue. First, select the account from which the instant cash will be deposited. Then tap on Continue. Next, select at least one income source from the options provided. You could also select all if all the options apply. After that, tap on Confirm. If your identity hasn't been verified yet, you need to verify it. But since Albert have already verified my account, I will just skip this part. Lastly, to set up an instant transfer, you need to set up a debit card associated with the bank account you just linked. To proceed, tap on Continue. Now, enter all the required information. Once linked, you will now receive your instant cash. That's how you get cash advance from Albert Instant. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.